Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a general health, career, finances, and spirituality reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of June 2026. Keep in mind, this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. These are pre-recorded courses. Links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Aquarius, start with your health and we'll go to your finances. Okay, one by one. Let me give this deck a really good shuffle, and I already shuffled it, but let's do it once more and then move to the readings. Okay, for your health, we have the Two of Cups. Your relationship with your health is going to be really very beautiful and positive. If you have a partner or a spouse, your sex life is also going to improve, and you guys are going to share a really good bond with each other. Okay, and because you are going to be emotionally content and happy from inside, that is going to have a direct impact on your physical health too. So if you guys were suffering from some kind of issues, they are going to be resolved. Maybe for some of you, you guys are going to find an opposite sex person that's going to help you a lot in improving your health, and you guys are going to feel quite happy and quite content and quite stable in your health. Guidance is the Ace of Cups. Okay, don't let your emotions rule your life, because you might get emotionally overwhelmed with a lot of things happening, a lot of things changing or shifting, whether it's positive or negative. That's a different thing, right? Because your positive might be my negative, my negative might be my positive, might be your negative, right? So it's different for different people. You might get emotionally overwhelmed with a lot of things and people and situations and changing around you. So don't get your life ruled by your emotions. I was about to sneeze, so I had to take a break. So yeah, keep your heart open, enjoy the good bond, good energies, good vibes, and good health. At the same time, try not to get too emotionally overwhelmed that you are going to mess things up. Okay, cool. So for your career, whether you are doing business or job, we have the Two of Swords. You guys are going to be on the crossroads, not being able to understand whether you should keep moving forward or you should look for other opportunities. For some of it, it could be like a decision is going to be up in the air. You guys might be waiting for some kind of decision, some kind of outcome, or some kind of maybe document or something. Things are going to be up in the air. There's no clarity in that direction. There's no clarity. Okay, after 20th, there are very good chances of you gaining the proper clarity and understanding of what is going to happen and what should you do and what you should not do in a particular situation. Okay, guidance is the Three of Pentacles. If you feel like taking help from somebody can resolve the issues, if you strongly feel like taking help from someone who's an expert or who can genuinely help you is going to resolve your issues, don't hesitate from taking help. Okay, whether it's mental, emotional, or professional. For some of you, working in a group is going to be much more beneficial for you than working alone and suffering alone. Collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together can help you guys in having much better productivity and much better results and as an outcome. Okay, so that is what I'm getting for your career. If you want to start or restart your career, whether you're a fresher or experienced person, whether it's a job thing or business thing, we have the Nine of Wands. Okay, you guys might not get the kind of opportunity that you guys are hoping for, and it's going to hurt you a little bit. You guys are going to feel like you are trying and trying and trying, and all you're getting in return is hurt and pain. So it's going to be like you guys are going to be a little bit in the hurtful kind of energy, but not giving up. Like feeling like a wounded warrior but not giving up. So you might not get that kind of opportunity that you want. It's going to take a little bit more time. Guidance is the Six of Wands. See, just because you're not getting it right now, it doesn't mean that you're never going to get it. You have gone through some kind of issues like that before as well, and you overcame that and you got success as well, right? So this time also, you guys are going to get the kind of success and opportunity and rewards that you guys are looking forward to have. Keep yourself inspired, keep yourself in this energy of keep going no matter what. Keep on putting in the effort and energy from your side. Use your confidence. Okay, work on your confidence, work on your personality, work on your presentation, like how you present yourself as a person. Okay, and overconfidence can also kill the opportunities. Okay, don't be overconfident, don't be in this over energy of I know everything else and nobody on earth knows better than me or something. But have confidence, have faith, and keep moving forward. You are definitely going to get the opportunity that you deserve, Aquarius, sooner or later. For your spirituality or your healing, we have the Page of Swords. You guys will be learning new ways of healing yourself, or you guys will be leaning towards some kind of online courses, online retreats, or online like workshops or something to start or restart your spiritual or healing journey. So it's like just curiosity. Out of curiosity, you guys are going to start or restart learning something or doing something. It's mostly online and mostly from a distance. But it's like starting or restarting something. Learning, in the learning phase, and trying to integrate the learning in your day-to-day life with each passing day, more and more with each passing day. Guidance is the Moon card. You guys are going to face a lot of difficulties. A lot of things are not going to be crystal clear to you. A lot of things are not going to make sense to you. It doesn't mean that the things are not working. It simply means that you have to face your fears, you have to face your insecurities, you have to face your shadow side, and you have to face your bare naked truth and your soul, the person you are. You have to face all of the truth, all of the fears, all of the insecurities in order to start your spiritual or your healing journey. That is the meaning of healing. That is the meaning of spirituality. Facing your shadow side, facing your all the positives and negatives, and integrating the awareness, living your life with more awareness, with more understanding, with knowing that you are different, you are unique, and you cannot fit in a box that everybody fits in. Everybody is unique, right? But if you are going to get scared, if you are going to leave the journey in between because you are not getting all the answers right in front of you, then this is not for you. Then this game, this path is not for you, at least not for the time being. So you have to learn to face your fears head on. You have to learn to face your shadow sides. You have to learn to live in the fact that you might not get all the answers, not immediately, but eventually you will be able to get them, slowly but surely. It's a slow process, very slow, and it requires a lot of patience, lot of it. Before proceeding further for your finances, let me invite you one last time for my 7-day 7 Osho meditation workshop that I'm conducting from tomorrow till the 11th of June 2026 from 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. This can be one of the life-changing events of your life, because there is going to be a lot of healing, laughter, dancing, and my energies also are going to be there for you guys, because I'm doing it from so long. It's going to definitely have an impact on you also. And 4:30 to 5:30 in the evening, 3,500 is the fees for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD. The fees is non-refundable, and I cannot provide you the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that for a very simple reason, because Osho Center, Osho Pune doesn't allow anyone to record the meditations and give the recordings to anyone. Anyway, so this is something that can be a life-changing event. If you want to start or restart your healing or spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a really, really, really good opportunity. It's quite affordable also, I told you. So what are you waiting for? Just book your slot. I'll see you on the other side. Read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable. So I'll see you on the other side. The link is in the description box for the same. So yep, come on, right? For your money thing, finances, we have the Temperance. Okay, your money energies are going to be a little bit improved than before. It's like I don't see drastic changes. I don't see drastic life-changing changes happening in your financial area. But I do see slowly but surely things will start falling into place for you guys. Okay, things are going to improve. It's going to be slow and gradual progress. It's not going to be like overnight you are going to become millionaire or billionaire. But if you are already that, congratulations to you. If not, then things are going to fall into place very, very slowly but surely. Do not lose your patience, do not lose your mind. It's going to take time. Guidance says yes, Two of Pentacles. Your mind is going to play tricks on you. Your mind is going to give you a lot of reasons to do this, do that, do this, do that. Unstable energies. Maybe your mind is going to give you this energy of, okay, don't save this time, just have fun. Then, and or that, okay, you should invest in this thing also, that thing also, until unless your energies are stable and sorted, and until unless you guys have a proper understanding of why you are doing and what you are doing and why you are doing that. Don't make any kind of foolish decisions or choices just based on this kind of confusion, or on and off, or in and out kind of energies, because you are going to end up regretting it later on, Aquarius, for sure. Cool, so keep that in mind. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.